You're watching Brookhaven News 5.
Good morning, Brookhaven people. It is a wonderful day out there. Today, weather is 21 Celsius out. Today is going to be a perfect summer. Clear skies light, breeze coming into the west. And a special bonus, just for you, we have a pollen count of 0.5. And that a record low for this time of year. Good news for all your hay fevers and asthma sufferers around Brookhaven. However, tides are going low recently, and Coast Guards are on high alert about this situation. We urge all our viewers stay with us after the break, and thanks for listening.
Today is a devastating news that we lost over 1,500 people in this catastrophic event. Survivors among the site are headed to Mayor Mark in his White House, as is the only shelter we have.
I see your mother. Where's the dad?
His dad abandoned us, so I took my son with me.
Don't worry, you're safe with us.
Thank you.
We are here to celebrate Brookhaven worst disaster and yet survive. People gathered to watch Mayor Mark delivered his speech to Brookhaven disaster and death of people as the town itself rebuilds.
To my fellow Brookhavens, as you know, catastrophe has struck our town and killed so many people. But water receded, countless more left homeless, but water receded. But we will rebuild our town, and heroes dies, but they are remember and honor with every heart we lay. Our planet, our home, so now let us begin.
This fish is gonna be delicious.